Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add bullet point text in Adobe Express. So let's start it. At first open your Adobe Express. In this video I will show add bullet points. Now select from all text. Now going to the edit menu option, then click from bullet option. Now click that it's. Now you can say add bullet points in Adobe Express. Then again, now select from all text. Now going to the bullet point bullets. Now select that it's. Then we show add bullet points in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.